Hello, so today video I'm going to try out a new hair product, which is going to be a hair mask by Garnier, and this is the Garnier Fructis Aloe Vera Hair Food Hair Mask, which is basically a 3-in-1 hair product, which means you can use as a conditioner, or you can use as a leave-in conditioner, or you can use as a hair mask. I'm going to try this hair mask in 3 different ways. So if you want to know the result and what I think about this product, then keep on watching, and of course subscribe to my channel or like this video, and thank you for watching. Yeah, so I really want to try a good hair mask because I have a quite very strange hair type, and I'm also mixed, so my hair is not straight and not curly, so it's between. I would say like I have a very wavy hair. It's just very difficult to brushing it, but today my hair is straight because I used straightener. Also my hair is very dry because I bleached and I dyed my hair so many times. Oh yeah, that's why my hair is very bad, so definitely not healthy, and I hope this hair mask will help. And I also use the same conditioner from this line, which has the same packaging, but of course in a different bottle. I think it was the same product. It was fine, but I was not blown away. So I choose this hair mask because I saw lots of good reviews and I saw lots of people buying this one, so I thought that maybe it's a good product. So if you don't find this product but you want to buy it, then I have a link in the description box. And this is for normal to dry hair. I have a very dry hair, so yeah. It's also say that this is 98% natural. So I bought this aloe vera one because I really love greenish fresh scent. So first day I want to try it as a conditioner, and let's see. For the next hair washes I want to use this one as a leave-on conditioner. Usually I am not a big fan of leave-on conditioner. I really do not like them. And after I want to use as a hair mask, so I am quite excited to use this one as a hair mask. But usually you can use any conditioner as a hair mask, just have to leave it longer on your hair, but yeah, you can use any conditioner. Yeah, so let's try it. So the first day I used this one as like a normal conditioner. I just washed my hair with this Garnier shampoo, and this is the green tea version. And then I apply the conditioner all over my hair, and normally I like to leave the conditioner on maximum 5 minutes and then rinse out with a lukewarm water. And if I am done with the hair wash, then I wait a little bit before brushing my hair. And then I just blow dry my hair. So after my hair felt normal as usually when I use conditioner, I did not notice any big difference on my hair, but it was not terrible either. So I think it worked fine, but I would not like to use this one again as like a normal conditioner. For the next hair wash, I try to use as a leave-in conditioner, which I do not do often. So as a leave-in conditioner, the product suggests you to apply onto a wet or dry hair, focusing on the mid-length and the ends, and do not rinse out the product. then I started to spread a small amount of product on my hair. And that day I left my hair natural and I didn't use any heat. And after, I really don't like how it felt on my hair. I really wanted to washing it off. It just felt very heavy and sticky. Next time I will try to use less product on my hair. And the last day I used as a hair mask, which I think the best way to use this product. So again did the same thing, washed my hair as usually with the same shampoo what I used first time, and then started to apply the product on all over my hair with the same technique what I use when I dyeing my hair, you know, sectioning my hair. So if you want to use this one as a mask, then they suggest you to apply to the length of wet hair after shampoo and conditioner and leave it on like 1 minute and then rinse out. But I decided to leave the product on way longer on my hair because I think 1 minute is not enough for a hair mask. So finally I finished with my hair and this is how it looks like. It really feels very soft and it looks shiny also. I cannot stop touching my hair because it's so silky, and it's also made my hair quite straight because normally I always have to straightening my hair after hair washing, but I think I don't have to anymore. I think this hair mask is really great. If you have a very dry hair and you just want some nourish, then I think this hair mask is really help and smells really nice. If you want to use this one as a hair mask, then you should leave it on minimum 15 minutes or 1 hour maximum. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any question about this product or anything, then let me know, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.